If you are into Forex trading, you must have came across the word lot. In this video, I am going to tell you what a lot size is and what are the different types of lot sizes. Before we move forward, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Daksh and I am a full-time Forex trader. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel before it hits 1000 subscribers, because I will be giving away a very special surprise to all the first 1000 subscribers. So make sure you subscribe to this channel before it hits 1000 subscribers. And make sure that you watch this video till the end. From the very beginning of our civilization, we humans have assigned certain units to everything we buy or sell. Everything from gasoline to gold is measured in certain units and you buy or sell it in those particular units. Consider you go out to buy milk. How do you measure the quantity of milk you are buying? It's obvious that you will have to buy it in terms of gallons or liter, right? In the same way, when you buy or sell anything in the Forex market, you do that in a unit called as a lot. When you first get into Forex, without any prior knowledge about Forex trading, you must have come across the word lot and must have kept yourself wondering about what it actually means. In this video, I will provide you with all the information you need about lot size. In the Forex market, lot is the unit in which a trader buys or sells currency. There are different lot sizes and each lot size has a certain value assigned to it. For example, if you have to buy 10,000 units of any currency, you use the mini lot size and based on this, you have profit and losses. There are 4 types of lot sizes: the standard lot, mini lot, micro lot and nano lot. Number 1. Standard lot size. One standard lot size is equal to 100,000 units of any currency you are buying or selling. This means that if you are opening a trade with a lot size of 1.0, you are buying 100,000 units of that currency. For example, if you open a buy trade on USD JPY with one standard lot size, this means you bought 100,000 units of USD. So, when you use one standard lot size, every pip gives you $10. Number 2. Mini lot. One mini lot size is equal to 10,000 units of the currency you are buying or selling. This means that if you are opening a trade with a lot size of 0.10, you are buying 10,000 units of that currency. For example, if you buy a trade on USD JPY with one mini lot, that is 0.10, this means that you have bought 10,000 units of USD. So basically every pip with one mini lot size gives you $1. Number 3. Micro lot. One micro lot size is equal to 1000 units. This means that if you are opening a trade with a lot size of 0.01, you are buying 1000 units of that currency. So for example, if you open a buy trade on GBP JPY with one micro lot size, that is 0.01, this means that you bought 1000 units of GBP. Basically, every pip with one micro lot size is equal to $0.10. Number 4. Nano lot size. Although very few brokers allow you to trade with nano lot sizes, it can be very useful if you are a beginner and want to start live Forex trading with a very small initial investment. One nano lot size is equal to 100 units of the currency you are buying or selling. This means that if you are opening a trade with a lot size of 0.001, you are buying 100 units of that currency. So, if you open a buy trade on GBP JPY with one nano lot size, then every pip gives you $0.01.